Hi everybody, this is your IT Master Albert Quay coming your way again with your IT trick for the week. Yes, it's going to be interesting, and today we are looking at the usefulness of the left click button on your mouse. So usually when you are working in an office document or you are using a text document, you want to look at the usefulness of your left click button. So what we usually use the left click button to do is to indicate through the usage of a cursor where we want to start entering a particular text, and then it shows first. We also want to point to where you want to make a deletion or effect a particular change, and all that. But when it comes to highlighting too, we've been using it. We click once, you holding on onto the left click button, you drag, and then it's highlighted. You can apply whatever change or effect you want to do to it. But today we are looking at another trick, which is the double left click button, which brings a little bit of difference in the way the system highlights when you use the double click left button. So let me just demonstrate. So when you single left click and drag, it highlights, but it highlights them on individual character basis. So you can see we are highlighting individual characters. So let me use this word for example. You highlight from A, it highlights M, it moves on. So you can highlight up to A and B, and this is what I call the individual character highlighting, and that's what you achieve when you just left click once and you drag. But when you double click and you drag, instead of it highlighting individual characters, it highlights words at a go. So let's see. So I double click and I drag. So I can't just select A and B of ambition, and then when I come down to it applies. I can't just highlight exam like you would see when you just click once and you drag. So it highlights the entire words, so that there are spaces between them. That is it. So that's the first trick we are looking at. The other trick we will be looking at is highlighting an entire paragraph. So for whatever reason you want to highlight just a portion of a paragraph, and you just don't want to go through the stress of highlighting once and dragging everything down, what you can do is to just you triple click. So let's see how it goes. Then you just have it. Isn't that interesting and resourceful? Okay, and if you want to drag, it's not going to highlight individual lines, it's going to highlight them on paragraph basis. That's how interesting this trick is. And finally, our last trick we're going to deal with, again, for any particular reason you just want to highlight a particular portion in a vertical way. Maybe you have some particular key constructions in the middle in here, and you don't want to highlight the entire stuff. You just want to distinct them and maybe cut them or use them for something. What you do is that you hold on your Alt button, and then you left click, and then you drag, and then you have it. So I've just highlighted vertically just this portion. If I need it for something, I cut it or copy and use it for whatever I want to use it for. So it's been nice being with you. I hope you learned something. Drop in your comments on my YouTube channel, Albert Quay. You can send forth your comments and questions, and for more tips on albertjohnsonquay@gmail.com. Have a blessed day.